and get to service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
17 stories up in his fashionable North Beach apartment, Richard Howell is calling a local
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just gonna be like a couple days of my life, redecorating my room a little bit for 2021 and all of those other things. I will be honest though, today I went for a run and I really didn't feel like going, and it was okay. I can feel that like I'm not as fit as I used to be, but the room is in an absolute state of disaster. As you guys can see behind me, I still have my Christmas decorations up, so I'm gonna go and print some new posters. I think right now I'm gonna go get breakfast because I'm really hungry. On the USB disk now, and what I think I'm going to do now is I'm going to sort out my bags because I still haven't unpacked from when we came back from holiday, so I'm just going to organize that. So guys, we're about to head out and do some errands, so I need to print my posters, get a file for the new school year, and I need to get my textbooks. Let's go! I'm back. I got coffee, which coffee is always good. So these are all the posters that I got, and there's about 27 of them. I first need to bath my dog because she's extremely dirty, as I mentioned in my previous video. I'm sorry, but can we just look at her facial expression right now? Jenny! You can't leave! So I'm getting kind of tired now of organizing, but I'm basically done with my desk, my vanity and my side table, which is really nice, and I think I can start with decorating this wall now. But I think first I'm gonna take a little bit of a break and I'm gonna go get lunch. I'm gonna start with my posters now. I'll update you guys as I go along, but I'm gonna start by taking these down.
I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away.
So it's done, and it took me so long, but I really like the way it turned out.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel
I got for Christmas from my cousins. I love this and I'm really excited. I went ahead and I bought this fake plant. I bought this from Mr. Price. It's so cute. It's like a little plant holder macrame kit. Guys, as you can see this morning, I woke up a little bit later than yesterday and I didn't go for a run this morning, so I made myself some coffee and I just did the journal entry in the second day of this book. So today is going to be very much the same as yesterday's. Kind of the main thing for today though is I want to get my room done. So I've just got that macrame plant thing to finish off. So yeah. It looks so cool. Okay, so I just finished it and I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't easy. And I put it kind of like in the middle there because the hook was already there. That was up there because I used to have a net over my bed.